Using color pink, make a magic ring, chain 1 and work 8 single crochet inside the ring. Pull the end to close the ring and slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 2, yarn over, and we will do a 2 yarn over puff stitch, then chain 2, and into the next single crochet we will do another puff stitch with 3 yarn overs or 3 half double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull out a loop 3 times, and then yarn over and pull it through all the loops on your hook. And we will repeat until the end of the round, and then we will slip stitch into the first puff using the color white. Then we will start the round into a 2 chain space. Chain 2, make a puff stitch, chain 2, another puff stitch, this time yarn over 3 times, then chain 3, going into the next 2 chain space and make 1 puff stitch, chain 2, and the second puff stitch. Then chain 3 and repeat until the end of the round. Slip stitch into the first puff stitch, and we will start the round into the chain 3, that is the last chain 3 that we have, and chain 5. Then go into the chain 2 space and work 1 double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet, then chain 2 and into the next space 1 double crochet, chain 2 and go in the next chain space and work a V-stitch, and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round into the third stitch using the color green. Chain 1, 1 single crochet into the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet into each of the following stitches until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first single crochet, then chain 3, and in the same stitch work 2 triple crochet, chain 3 and another 2 triple crochet into the same stitch. Then 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, then 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches, and then 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches, then again 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches, and 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and repeat the section until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first triple crochet using the color purple. Chain 2, 1 double crochet into the first 2 stitches before the 3 chain space corner, 2 double crochet, chain 3 and another 2 double crochet into the 3 chain space corner, and then continue with 1 double crochet into each stitch and into the 3 chain space corner, work 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet to complete the square. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first double crochet and done.